Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So I've simply got here is the Kranzle 1152Tst. This is the obsessed package, so what I've simply got is the up range. The machine itself 130 bar at 10 litres, but what we've put with this system is the LFT trigger. Stainless steel all through, ceramic ball inside there because it's a chemical resistant trigger. What we have got there is the LFT trigger, so it's soft pull, low trigger force. Stainless steel, like I said, all the way around. The only thing that's not stainless steel is the lances that come with it. So what you've simply got here is the Vario 4-in-1 nozzle and the turbo lance. We've set that up so you can screw them in. Stainless steel insulated handle, and that will go into the gun direct. When you're wanting to do your normal job, so what we've simply got, we've made it stainless steel mini quick release. You've got the jetty, which is a 40-degree angle, and that goes into the mini quick release. We can then put the snow former with the trigger directly straight into there, or if you wanted to, you can put it right at the end of the system. Same again for this jet. This jet and lance can be used straight directly into the trigger, or it can go at the other side of the lance in the system there. Protector on the end, and like I say, that is all full stainless steel. With this machine you've got the soak facility, so that works alongside the 4-in-1 Vario, so you've got that option. You've also got the swivel on this gun, so even with the trigger pull and everything else, that will still swivel round with the quick releases, which are stainless steel as well. Automatic stop start, so when you let go of the trigger the machine stops, pull the trigger the machine starts. What we're going to do is put it down, so the Kranzle, this is in the storage position for the Kranzle. When we come to use the machine, we sit it down. Far superior than anything else in the marketplace, because reason being, this is what Kranzle do. The motor, if you can imagine, underneath that cover is in line with the pump. So it means that that pump, the pistons that are running inside there, are completely submerged in oil. They're not reliant on being splashed like other machines with a pump above and below each other when it's being used, and the feed coming out at the bottom of a machine. You've got your soap intake, that's where it goes in at, so your chemical at low pressure, which, like I said before. You've also got the snow former with stainless steel insert, that's the PA GENIUNE snow former. Hose reel, stainless steel quick release MIDI, on off switch, and what you've got there is the pressure gauge to say what the machine is running at. Cover. Pressure regulator valve to turn the machine pressure up and down if you want less pressure, but most of that can be done on the gun and lance. But the most important part is the obsessed system, is this package here that goes with this machine. The best in the marketplace, and the trigger absolute top of the range. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.